So hi everyone, and today we are going to solve this leetcode daily challenge and repeated element in size to an array. So basically we are given an array nums and we have a element which is occurring n times, and we also have n unique elements. So we want to find this element which is occurring n times. So an easy solution would be to create a hash table which stores the frequency of each element in the array, and then we can traverse the hash table and find the element whose frequency is n. But this solution will take O of n space and O of n time as well. A better solution would be O of 1 space, and how we can achieve it. So here is the solution. Like if you have an element x in the array which is occurring n times, then we can say that the distance between two consecutive x in the array will be less than equal to 2. This will always hold. And if we increase this distance, like if you make the distance between two consecutive x more than 2, then we can find another pair of x in the array, consecutive x, whose distance will be less than 2. So this condition will hold for some pair of consecutive x. So let me write this here. Distance between some consecutive x's will be less than equal to 2. This will always happen. So the solution is pretty easy now. Now why this will happen also, like you can see, suppose I have this array which has the size of the array is 6, so it will have 3 2's. So something like this. Here you can see that the distance between two consecutive 2's is 0. We also have two consecutive 2's whose distance is 1, but we have the 0 one as well. Now if you increase this distance, then it will become something like this. See? And now the distance between two consecutive 2's is 1. If I increase the distance again, here the distance between two consecutive 2's is 2. Now if I increase the distance more than 2, you see there are another consecutive 2's that is whose distance is 0. So you can always find a pair of 2's whose distance is less than equal to. So this is the solution we are going to code, and this will take O of n time and O of 1 space. So we can just traverse the array. Here distance is 0, basically, that both the 2's are adjacent. Here the distance is 1. And also you can do this in one loop as well. Like I'm just writing 3 loops for clarity purpose. Like you will always find your answer in these three cases. So this should work. This will work. So here the space complexity is over 1. And you can combine these three loops to form a single loop. That will also work. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it.